Hello, my lovelies. Welcome to my channel. My name is Zshakira. Darlings, I couldn't decide. I'm serving you double the pleasure today, darling, because I'm batshit crazy, baby. I just couldn't make up my mind. So I did both, and I hope you like it. I'm back. Alright, so the first tip I will give you, if you are going to be doing any type of specialty lens, even if you're doing beauty makeup and you just want to change your eye color, you know, for the look, I personally suggest putting the lens in first. I don't like to touch on the face and do anything once the makeup is on. I think you will have a tendency to mess it up. So that's the first thing you want to do. I am all moisturized. I have a little bit of moisturizer on my lips because I want my lips to be good and primed by the time we get to that point. That's pretty much it. Alright, you guys, let's get into this look today. One of the things that I want to do for this specialty Halloween look is I want to get rid of this eyebrow. And what you want to do is just grab some of the Elmer's glue stick, and you're going to basically be pasting that down and letting it dry. You just get more of the glue behind the hairs. If you guys are following me on Instagram, I tried that out with my uninvited queen look. I was able to get the eyebrows down really good. Now you just want to take a blow dryer and you want to make sure that this completely dries through and through, so I am going to be right back. Okay, I found the one thing that my eyebrows listen to, Elmer's glue stick. Interesting. They are perfectly laid and not moving. So what I did was I basically put the blow dryer on there for like maybe 1 to 2 minutes. I just really wanted to make sure that it dried. I think maybe before that, maybe 30 seconds in, I did do like a second layer. I just really wanted to make sure it was laid because my look that I did earlier in the week on Instagram for my giveaway, the uninvited queen, and I kind of got some lifting, and I wasn't for sure if that was because I didn't let it dry or maybe if the concealer made it, move again and become wet again. So I'm not sure, but I definitely made sure that I did one more layer. I was careful to do it sooner than later though, so it didn't peel, but this looks really good and it's nice and flat. Now all I'm going to do is just take some setting powder. You can use translucent powder, and I just want to go ahead and put this over, and I want to press it in really good. Make sure that that sticky feeling goes away. Alright, I'm going to get my eyebrow together on this side now. I'm going to brush these up, and this side is going to be slightly beauty, but it will have a little edge to it. This is still pretty much what we would do with beauty, but I'm just being a little more dramatic with what my eyebrow shape is, if that makes sense. I am going to set it later because my eyebrows will continue to move around, and yeah, so now I'm going to go into shading and getting my eye area exactly how I want it. So I'm going to be using the Halloween 18 palette by Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm going to create a look over here, and then we'll get into making a bat wing. Starting off with the darkest color in the palette, this beautiful purple. It's called Hex on My Ex. Next, I'm going to take this beautiful orange color that is called Hey Pumpkin. That's what I say to my babe. Be like, hey pumpkin. This is my first time using the palette, and it's like blending really good. I really like it. And the color and the name of this look that I'm going to go into, beautiful yellow, and the name of this look, Ba Shyt Crazy. Beautiful yellow. Good job, Kylie. Alright, now when you have the shading to a point where you like it, go ahead and cut the crease. However, the shape is on the cut crease is up to you. But go ahead and cut your crease, and then we're going to get into just a little bit more shading. Now on top of the cut crease, I'm going to go in with this beautiful color right here. I believe this is called Nightmare. And I'm just going to go right over the cut crease that we just put out. And then just because I don't want to lose the purple, sometimes when you go in and you do cut creases and stuff like that, sometimes some of the colors, they may get lost a little bit. So I do want to come back into that beautiful purple color at the bottom. And I'm going to just tap that in here and blend it back in. And with the orange color, I'm just making sure also that I don't lose that. Next, I'm going to take Fenty Beauty, the Kilowatt. This is the Diamond Ball Out. This one is super crazy and it's perfect for just giving some nice good highlights. I'm going to use this to kind of go in and do some highlighting underneath the brow, here right inside of the corner. Really anywhere that you want to do your highlights, just go in and do that. Now I'm going to get into drawing on the face, so I want to be very careful, very particular. Sometimes with specialty looks, it's just kind of like, you gotta get it right the first time. In certain cases, there is no room for error. So I am a little nervous. I've never shown a makeup Halloween look on film, but I'm very confident. I feel like I can do a good job, and you know, it just is what it is. You just take your time, you do it, whatever. Alright, I'm going to take my Stila, this is the micro tip, so I'm going to use the micro tip to do some detailing on the eyes. First, I am going to draw the line all the way out to where I want my wing. Actually, let me clean up. It's actually kind of a good thing that I drew that line first, because now I know exactly where I need to clean, and the rest of this can just be for the bat. And then I am going to draw a little divot coming out. Another one going in. Coloring it in, doing another little divot going out, coming back in. You just color it as you go. The bat head, how do I explain the bat head? Alright, so I'm kind of making a point, like these two little points, like that's kind of his head. So I don't know, this is pretty much how I do my little bat guys. So I'm gonna do a couple of more. I may do one here, I may do some here, but I'm just gonna do a couple of little friends and just have fun with that part. I'm livening up this area because now that I have the bats on there, I just want to accent. Alright, for now, this is where I want it. There's obviously more I'm going to do, but let's go ahead and get our foundation and our concealer on. Let me just get the rest of the face to where I want it. The little areas by the bat, just take a brush. You definitely don't want to take a sponge and try to go by that area. It actually gives you a good opportunity to detail if there's anything right there that you kind of want to clean up. Just setting my face using that same powder from earlier. This is my Cover FX setting powder. Going back in with Kylie Cosmetics, going back in with that Halloween 18 palette. I'm going to use the darkest color in this palette, which is that purple. And I'm going to start creating my dark look on this other eye. Definitely going to be doing a smoky look. I'm not going to put a base on because I want this to be very smoky, almost really crazy. Like it's not quite right. Like something's just off about that eye. This side is going to kind of be all over the place. Like it doesn't honestly matter where you put the makeup. If you choose to put your foundation on after doing this eye, you can. But I kind of knew that I was going to go all over the place, so I didn't worry too much about it. I think the fallout actually works in favor. And I'm just moving that all around and darkening the spots that I really want to accent. I know for me, this area right here is always going to give you just that really, really strong look. So I always do this. And I haven't used any other color on this eye. This color, I kind of have to do it. It looks really spooky and weird. Sweet Poison, it's like a dead color. I don't know, I'm gonna try it, but it's pretty much a dead color. I'm gonna just see what it looks like. Oh yes. Kylie, come on! Come on. I am going to start tapping because I don't want to disrupt again. And I'm just tapping up into my temple. Then I'm going to take a really big brush. This color in the corner right there, that one is called Main Boo. And I think I am going to tap that onto the eyebrow just to kind of give it a little bit of a muted and a highlight. Alright, now going back underneath the eye over here, I do want to bring some color to the bottom. Everything looks really, really good, but I definitely want to keep it going. And so I am going to take the purple color first. I'm going to take that dark color and I'm going to smudge that right at the bat wing over. Going in with Ba Shyt Crazy, and I'm going to put that into the inner corner. Oh my god, that is fire. That color is so bright and good. I am just like, wow. Going back in with the liner that we've been using, and I am just going to do a little line. These are not legs or anything like that. These are just lines. I've drawn out these long little lines right here. I had a long wispy line there, and I knew I wanted to put some here. Just, I don't know, creating dimension and scenery, but I'm basically lining the eyes all the way around and completely blacking them out. I'm back. Okay, all I've done is I put a little color going down these lines here, and I actually did put some black into this C-shape area right here because I did just want to darken it. Once I put like more of the little friends, and I just was like, I feel like I needed a little more, so that's pretty much all I've done. I've contoured normally, same contour that I would use like as in everyday. I didn't do anything dramatic, and I'm gonna go in with that Diamond Ball Out Kilowatt, and I'm just gonna do some highlighting because this is like the perfect highlighter and it's just so good. Look at it. Alright, I added this extra lash because, you know, it's Halloween. Alright, for the lips, I'm going to do something really cool. I'm going to try to blend these out and do just a really cool ombre idea. They're all going to be Kylie Cosmetics. I'm going to start off with Dead of Night. Try to resist the urge to, I was about to do the lips, but I don't want to do them just yet. I'm going to take the purple. This one is called Wicked. This one came out last Halloween. So I'm going to take Wicked and put that in the middle. And now I'll blend those. Pumpkin and Butternut. I'm going to take these two colors. So I'm going to take Pumpkin and go right underneath. I'm going to take Butternut underneath there. Just catch it while it's still wet. Alright, so take your palette and go over the bottom part, right there where Butternut and Pumpkin meet. And I'm just going to put together this one and this one. So the yellow in this palette is pretty much going to pair with the Butternut on the bottom. And then you probably guessed it, the purple in the palette go over the bottom lip on the inner part with the purple. And then any little touch-ups that you need to do, just feel free to do those. Honestly, I kind of touched the pumpkin on the top part, so mine did smudge just a little. So I'm going to go over the black. Alright, I had to throw on a wig, you know what I'm saying? She's not in her full capacity. I wasn't quite sure if I was going to throw her on, so it's not the best. But she's here. I didn't know I was gonna throw her on, you know what I mean? I could have combed her a little better. But you see how you get this side and then you see when it's like, oh, it's like, don't talk to her, don't talk to her. Don't talk to her, don't talk to her, don't talk to her, right? It's you serving that, right? And then you serving that, ooh. So any one of these looks can be rocked out for Halloween. Or you can smash them together and rock them at the same time. Whatever you want to do, this is my batshit crazy look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So this is the Friday before Halloween. I am sure there are some parties and something going on already. I'm just almost certain. And I'm pretty sure also in the middle of the week on Halloween, there's going to be more things going on, and possibly next weekend there might still be some Halloween parties. I don't know, but if you have a couple that you want to go to, you know, you could actually do this entire look on your face, then you could do this entire look on your face. So if you want to, you know, have two things for Halloween, if you just want to, you know, take both of these ideas, one of these ideas, you know, whatever you want to do. Like, I don't know what this look is. I just call it batshit crazy because it is literally, it's just like, what the hell is that? I don't know what it is. And yeah, I should walk around like that, right? So, nonetheless, congratulations to whoever won my giveaway today. You won the Fenty by Rihanna, the beautiful, beautiful black stunner lip paint that she just came out with. It's perfect for Halloween. I don't know what look you're doing, but it's perfect for Halloween. So congratulations to you. Thank you to everybody who entered that giveaway. But it's Friday, so enjoy your Halloween weekend. If you are doing any Halloween shenanigans, be safe. If you are keeping it chill, staying home, giving candy, you can still dress up and pass out candy to all the kids in your neighborhood. And enjoy your weekend, guys. Enjoy your Halloween. Thank you so much. Follow me on Instagram. I'm still going to be rocking out some looks all the way until Halloween. And I have a really fun collaboration coming up that I'm super excited about. And yes, find your frequency, your spooky frequency, and feel good.